Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a box of blades for the Sawzall. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what you get here. You get a whole bunch of them. I can't remember how many there are. 25. So 25 of these. Oh, there they are. There's what they are. The wood, 9-inch wood with nails. So these will chop through the nails too. So let me open this up here. Oh, we got 2 blades. Probably only need 1. So there we go. So this is what it looks like here. And this is what it's replacing, this old broken one. So it's longer and it's a different blade than what I had before. So if we're going to use this one here, we would stick it into our Sawzall. And there we are, tight and good in there. And then, don't know if any of these batteries are charged. We will see. And there we go. We have a nice new saw blade on here, and I don't think I have necessarily anything I can cut in here at the moment. Let me see. I've got some scrap wood over here. I'll show you. One sec. I'm just gonna see if we can do this here. I have a piece of wood. Let me see. What can I do here? I have a piece here. Let's see if I can aim me down. Or here. I'll aim you this way. There you go. You can watch me cut this right here. This is it. So if I was to go there. Cuts that like butter. Thumbs up.